First, the top news headlines. JP Nadda likely to be elected next BJP president unopposed. Government has adequate fund for development of road connectivity, says Chief Minister Biren. Will take at least 6 months to resettle 34,000 Bru people, says Tripura Chief Minister. And Hepatitis Awareness Week kickstarts at Jubilee Hall, RIMS. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. BJP Working President JP Nadda appears set to be elected as its next national president on January 20, succeeding Amit Shah with the party yesterday, announcing the schedule for election to organizational post. Media sources said that Nadda, who has decades of organizational experience, is likely to be elected unopposed, as has been the convention in the organization. Top party leaders, including union ministers from across the country, are expected to arrive at the BJP headquarters on Monday to file nominations in support of Nadda's candidature. The election of a new president will bring to end incumbent Shah's tenure of over 5.5 years, during which the BJP expanded its footprints across the country like never before and enjoyed its best phase in electoral contests, despite suffering a few setbacks in state polls. With Shah joining the Modi 2.0 government as Home Minister, the BJP began the exercise for electing his successor, as the party has the convention of one person, one post. Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren today said that the government has adequate fund for further development of road connectivity in the state. He also mentioned about the development and changes brought about by the BJP-led government in Manipur. He said this during a program at BJP Kanchipur office, Imphal, where altogether 7 members of different political parties, including Vice Chairperson of Oinam Municipal Council, Oi Moirang Ningtho, and 1 Autonomous District Council ADC member of Chandel District were given warm reception.
Izati singbu nungsiba, taseng-tasengna iramdam Manipur bu nungsiba. Maramdam Manipur gi damakta maramdam maribak ki damakta ni politics tawna baina tawna rise maribak mazati gi damakta ni. Adugo tasengna Manipur da leiba miyam da isimadi am sok thona haninge. Manipur da rajniti tawbiriba or social work tawbigena khanbiriba or tawbiriba singna taseng Manipur maramdam bu nungsiba mazati bu nungsiba madugi wakhallonda politics tawbiba oiragadi rajniti yawiba oiragadi BJP natna atai atopa party amada mo yawhum thoktre haibajinda yam clear kani masida dum dialogue tawna ba yai BJP gi oiba taseng ba ADC da oiro Municipal Council sing the Wero, Gram Panchayat the Wero, Jila Parishad the Wero, the Equigi Lakadoriba 2022 General Assembly election the Wero, BJP gita taseng by Quigi team majority Sarkar Pine anaba, Mashing Shunanaba. I want to Congress Mother Itahaning de Madame de Moide Hogi, but just Soid and the Lacrabani, Soid and the Lacrabani, so many things. I the 2013 that Obudu Amukia, the court Supreme Court, Yona, the Namaduga, Hydro, I quit Madame that was a dispute on the Latana, result of Maria Hydrocrabani, MR Hydrocrabani, Zelgi Hydrocrabani, even Moigi dispute later, 2013-16 with the Hydrocrabani, who's it IRB. We are always transparent.
Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Deb said that it will take at least 6 months to resettle 34,000 Bru people living in the state for close to 23 years. Deb's statement came a day after the tripartite agreement to solve the Riang refugee problem was signed involving the state governments of Mizoram and Tripura and the centre. The Chief Minister also said that a historic agreement was signed on Thursday, putting an end to the over 2-decade-old problem. According to media reports, he further informed that the Revenue Department was asked to identify the land for the resettlement and said a fresh survey of the Bru refugees would be initiated soon. Around 34,000 Bru people of 5,400 families who were residing in relief camps in Kanchapur will be benefited by the agreement. A Hepatitis Awareness Week has kick-started today on the theme Empowering People Against Hepatitis at the Jubilee Hall of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphilpat, Imphal. The event is jointly organized by Airports Authority of India, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Outer Manipur MP Dr. Lorho S. Fazil, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur V. Vumlunmang, Regional Executive Director Airports Authority of India Sanjeev Jindal, Director of Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur Dr. K. Rajo were present at the event.
I am extremely happy and also note the Airport Authority of India under its CRS scheme. They already provided the trauma center at the Jenims. Further, I would also like to request the authority to provide 3 more trauma centers, Imphal Dimapur along the National Highway, and Imphal More and Imphal Jiri. If possible, please think over it and also try to provide.
A forest fire reportedly broke out at Shuri Kashong, popularly known as Shuri Peak in Manipur's Ukhrul Day. As per reports, the fire started around 1 p.m. yesterday and started engulfing the entire peak. Ukhrul district was the most affected district by forest fire in Manipur with 1,399 cases during 2018-19. People in the region use fires to burn forest waste for farming purposes, which often cause the fire during the dry season. Forest fires remain a serious threat to forest resources and wetlands. 22-year-old Shangmin Tongsin Anal was crowned the second edition of Miss Chakpi 2020 on January 15 last during a glittering evening at the indoor stadium Japho Bazaar of Chandel District, Manipur. On the other hand, Lina Dilbung and Shangrina Nula bagged the first and second runners-up titles respectively in the beauty pageant. The beauty contest was organized by Miss Chakpi Committee with a mission to crown a queen who will represent the beauty of Chakpi River and to protect and safeguard the riverine ecosystem of the Lone River, which is the lifeline of Chandel District. Shangman Tongsin walked away with Rs 50,000 cash prize and gift vouchers worth more than Rs 20,000, while winners of first and second runners-up got Rs 30,000 and Rs 20,000 respectively, along with gift vouchers. The 8-day-long Nambol Bora Festival, organized by Kanglei Eco-Tourism Development Association, concluded at Nambol Higher Secondary Playground yesterday. Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council, C.H. Basanta, General Secretary of Theatre Centre Manipur, K.H. Ranbir, Vice Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council, A. Bimola Devi, and councillors attended the closing event. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has declared the results of the Joint Entrance Examination (JEE) Main 2020. It was announced to be declared on January 31st, however, was released in advance for BE and BTech aspirants. A total of 9 candidates have secured 100 percentile. The candidates who have appeared for the entrance test can check the results through the website jeemain.nic.in. btech.nta.nic.in. Of the total 9,21,261 candidates who registered for the BE BTech section, 8,69,010 appeared for the exam. There were 570 examination centers across the country and abroad. A total number of 536 observers, 213 city coordinators, and 19 regional coordinators were deployed at these centers to oversee the smooth and fair conduct of examination, as per the NTA. Union Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel yesterday said that the anti-government protest against the amended citizenship law did not affect the tourism industry. The minister released numbers indicating that more foreigners have arrived in India in last 2 months of 2019 compared to the corresponding period in 2018. As per a report, compared to 10,12,569 in November 2018, 10,91,946 foreign tourists arrived in India in November 2019, a jump of 7.8%. The minister said that e-visa numbers in November increased from 2,61,956 to 3,75,484 in 2019. These numbers contradict reports that say the tourism sector was hit badly by a wave of violent anti-government protests against the citizenship law in several cities, including the national capital, in December, with at least 7 countries issuing travel warnings. 5 army dogs, all Labradors, have been recognized for their heroics on the battlefield and awarded top honors for valor and devotion to the duty, 2 army officers said on Friday, asking not to be named. While 2 of them helped the army track down hardcore terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir during counter-terrorism operations last year, the remaining 3 canines sniffed out deadly explosives in the country's northeast, their action saving crores of lives, said the first officer cited above as per media report. The dogs were honored with commendation cards for outstanding service on January 15, which is celebrated as Army Day, the second officer said. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Assam and Manipur pocketed a silver and bronze each in the girls under 21 to 49 kg weightlifting event at the ongoing 3rd Khelo India Youth Games 2020 in Guwahati, Assam yesterday. 17-year-old Gitashri Sonowal from Assam won the silver lifting a total of 142 kg, 64 and 79, while Manipur's Nomita Devi, 17, bagged the bronze lifting a total of 141 kg, 61 and 80. Chandigarh's Virjit Kaur bagged the top spot. She lifted a total of 143 kg, 64 and 79. The weightlifting event was a close call as winners in the sequence had a difference of only 1 kg among each other. All Jiribam Sport Association AJSA Jiribam is organizing the 13th Jiri Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2019-20 from February 3 to 13 at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. This was informed by AJSA General Secretary KH Ashok Kumar through a press release. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Naga talk concluded successfully, says Ravi. Centers meeting with states on census and PR begins. Bengal skips. Congress workers demand OMR. Arrested, free. High Court orders rupees 10 lakh compensation. The People's Chronicle. Very close to settlement of Naga issue, says RN Ravi. Ravi also made a sincere appeal to the government and people of the neighboring states to extend all cooperation so that the peace process, which has now reached a very crucial juncture, concludes in a successful manner in the interest of enduring peace and stability in the entire region. Economic blockade plan put on hold. Meet demands arrest of Sajid killer. Press rejects Nirbhaya convicts mercy plea. Government likely to abolish student-less added schools. Polo tourney mark of tribute to our ancestors, says Chief Minister Biren. Pumping iron with anabolic steroids, a lethal mishmash. District Magistrate issues roadblock clearance for smooth probe into Malom massacre incident. Sajid JAC demands judicial inquiry, threatens general strike. Police foil Youth Congress march to Chief Minister Bungalow. Manipur Mail. Radheshyam urges Defence Ministry to take over all Sainik schools. Congress demands corruption-free recruitment.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. JP Nadda likely to be elected next BJP president unopposed. Government has adequate fund for development of road connectivity, says Chief Minister Biren. Will take at least 6 months to resettle 34,000 Bru people, says Tripura Chief Minister. And Hepatitis Awareness Week kickstarts at Jubilee Hall, RIMS. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.